This major outage of Amazon Web Services causing a number of high-profile websites to go dark this morning, although the shares are now in the green. Mackenzie Sagalos is shedding some light on what happened today. Morning, Mac.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So Amazon Web Services saying 10 minutes ago that there are significant API errors and connectivity issues across multiple servers in its U.S. East 1 region. We're expecting an update on that within a half hour. Now, this outage first hit early this morning, knocking dozens of companies offline, from government websites to crypto platforms and AI tools like Perplexity. AWS powers roughly a third of the cloud market, and the issue stemmed from a failure in its Northern Virginia data center, disrupting more than 70 services. Now, cyber experts say it wasn't a cyber attack, but it does highlight how fragile the internet's backbone has become, especially in the age of AI, where services like Anthropic rely on AWS to run their large language models in real time. Now, compared to last year's CrowdStrike meltdown, which was resolved quickly but left companies dealing with manual recovery for weeks, this was a different kind of failure. As one expert put it to me, CrowdStrike shut down the computers themselves while AWS shut down the services that those computers talk to. AWS's U.S. East 1 region has been a recurring point of failure for them. It is the cloud's busiest, most interconnected zone. And when something breaks there, the ripple effects spread fast. Morgan Stanley called the incident not helpful to already fragile AWS sentiment. They expect Amazon to issue credits to customers. Investors will have this in mind when Amazon reports earnings next week. Remember, AWS growth has been lagging behind Azure and Google, and backlog now trails Microsoft and Oracle. Guys?
I guess one of the questions is, Mackenzie, if it has any kind of lasting impact in the minds of their clients, right, and causes them to switch competitively. That's what we were all asking during the CrowdStrike outage as well.
Well, notably, OpenAI has not been an AWS customer. Anthropic, we've seen them diversify into GCP and this multi-cloud strategy to avoid this kind of disruption. We heard from the Perplexity CEO this morning, attributing all of the disruption that they've seen to this AWS outage. And it is a huge concern, especially in this generative AI era where these companies are hungry for compute, and they are primarily getting it from these cloud providers while they build out all this infrastructure. Because all those OAI deals worth $1.5 trillion, it's not built yet, and it's not coming online for at least a year.
Mackenzie, thank you. Mackenzie Sagalos.